today's outfit of the day. It is Sunday. Whole outfit is literally from Zara. Even the shoes, I got these like, oh my gosh, probably 2 years ago. And whenever I like to get ready, not always, but for the majority of the time, especially when I'm doing my hair, that's legit. I always put air when I'm straightening my hair. So today, it's gonna be a good day. Good morning. My hair is a mess, but I really don't care. You know why? Because we're going to the gym and I gotta get my workout in. I have the next couple of days off from work, which is nice. A little vacation before school starts again. Evan's birthday is on Saturday and I have to head out as soon as possible. Auto, there. It's focused. This is just the workout outfit for today. These are Lululemons that I actually got from some consignment store. It was pretty cheap. I think it was like 18 bucks and it was like perfect fit. And then I got the what you call it, the Gymshark sports bra. I personally like wearing sports bra shirts. Do you know what I'm talking about? Like essentially they're crop tops, but they're supporting as well. So it's like a 2-in-1 type of thing. I prefer those over tanks. I might get rid of some of the tanks that I have because it's just not cutting it. There's so much fabric going on. I just need one top and go from there. And then these are just some Adidas sneakers that I got. I actually have to get a new pair because it's been over 6 months. So yeah, and then my UCF jacket. If you didn't know, I graduated UCF 2016 with a bachelor's in psychology. It's a little bit of a fact about me, but I gotta go because it's gonna take me about like 15 minutes to get there. I might show you what I do at the gym. I might. We'll see. Finished my workout. I didn't even like film it because I was so focused and the class were going by so fast. But now I'm petting myself because I'm sweating. The end result. It's a good day so far. I'm gonna attempt to see if I can try to see what these are like from the Target brand. I think it's Auden. So I'm gonna see if they're comparable to Skims and we'll go from there. That's right, but first we're running a surprise and Aaron's at a polo match yesterday. Oh my god. My face is swollen. Guys, I don't even know what happened. I was cleaning yesterday and I don't know if there was like, not a chemical or just maybe like one of the products, because I don't use very harsh chemicals at all. Certain things, but not even. And then I don't know what I did. I don't know if I touched my eye. And now it's just like puffy. And it was like on one eye and then I went to the other. So I don't even know. Had a little bit of a situation this morning where power went down and then came back up, but it was like quick. I have to get ready today because I'm going to I think it's my 3rd PT appointment. So I do have some thoughts about it. So the reason why I have thoughts about it is because a lot of the exercises that we do in there, I actually know how to do on my own. And the only reason why I know how to do it on my own is because I was pretty active growing up and I also was in dance. So a lot of the exercises they're doing, I kind of did. But there are some where I'm like, okay, no, I never knew about that before. I think I might cut my sessions down to 6 instead of 12, because I think at a certain point, why would I need to do 12 sessions? But I'm still debating like what I want to do. Who knows? So that's what I'm going to be doing today in the morning, and then afterwards I'm going to see if I can try to get this hair dye that I normally get if I ever want to dye my hair like a black color. I don't really get like the permanent colors. I always get like, I don't know if it's demi-permanent, semi-permanent. I try to like dye my hair black because right now, obviously in the camera, it probably looks black, but I prefer it to be like a really like dark black, almost blue kind of, but not really. And I haven't dyed it in a while, so I think I might go ahead and do that. Hair is done. Ooh, bad lighting. I just basically, like I said earlier, I don't know if you guys can see. Can you? There we go. I just dyed it black. Just kept it simple. And when my hair is short, now that it's a little bit longer from like the last time you saw it like freshly cut, I like to have it not super straight. I kind of like a little bit of a bounce or a wave to it. I think that's like really like more natural looking. I don't know, but this is what it looks like. Very simple. Let me go ahead and show you the box of the dye. So it's the Clairol Natural Instincts, and I got the darkest shade, so black. There's also like a brown black. My hair is kind of like a little bit brown black. There's some parts of it where it's a lot lighter, more like a lighter brown, but that's like mainly like my root frontal area. But I always get the black, and it's the Natural Instincts. It lasts up to 28 shampoos. So if you don't shampoo your hair often, you can definitely have this in your hair for quite some time. But if you do shampoo often, that's like the maximum amount of washes that you can go through before you start like losing the color and you have to redo your hair again. And I love the fact that it's not super harsh, so when I'm doing my hair, I'm not like constantly coughing or my eyes are like super watery. It's just really easy to just do my hair, and then I get the color that I want. What I like is that the more that I wash it, the more that it like goes away. That's not necessarily something I want, particularly because I want my hair black, but I like the fact that if I do decide to change in the future, which I don't think I am, I already told you guys that, then I can just redo it and it's good to go. But I really like this color. It's very simple and chic, and it can go with a lot of different outfits. You guys got to see a little bit of what I did last night. And today's a new day. It's Evan's birthday, and I'm not quite sure what he wants to do. He's probably like just gonna lay low, but it's his day. He can do whatever he wants. But I'm gonna show you a little bit of a coffee like kick idea thing that I've been on lately. But there's this coffee. It's also a cold brew, but it's not in a can form, and it's not a latte. It's actually a medium roast Colombian coffee, and then I have this Silk dairy-free oat milk creamer. What I love about this is that normally, not normally, but what I've done in the past was every time I use like something like this that like, I don't know, wasn't as creamy like this one, or it was a creamer but it wasn't as sweet, I would end up having to put like more sugar in it or make it to the point where my like coffee isn't coffee anymore. And the cool thing about this is that I can put maybe like a half a cup, maybe even less than a half a cup of that creamer, and it's the perfect taste. Like, I don't have to add more sugar, I don't have to add more creamer after that. It's just the perfect amount. So I'm going to show you exactly how I do it. So I just put about like this much of ice, take the coffee, and I do it like about to there. That's how much coffee I drink every morning. I really don't like to drink a ton of it. And what's nice about this coffee is that like for 12 fluid ounces, it's only 5 calories. I mean, the sodium is a little bit up there, but everything else is straight 0. So if you're considering about like making coffee at home, but you don't want to add a ton of calories and you're like, as soon as you wake up, I like this a lot and it's good. It doesn't make me jittery if I have about this much. If I go past that, I'm a jitter girl. So I take a little bit of the creamer and I just stop like right there. Probably put a little bit too much, but it's fine. And then I just like to swirl it a little bit. Yeah, see, I put a little bit too much creamer, but it's fine. Also, it's like 2:47. I normally have my coffee at like, oh my gosh, maybe like between 7 to 8:30 in the morning. So, and that's it. That's my coffee. Actually, I think that was the right amount. Now that I think about it, that kind of fooled me a little bit. I want to show you guys my little baby. Do you see every time she lays down, her little tongue just sticks out? She's so cute. This is my other little baby, Yumi. A little dark princess. We're at Costco, me and my brother. This is the best place in the world.
Is this a real vlog?
Yes, it's a vlog. I always do it on my phone because it's always easier rather than to bring my camera because it's expensive in case it falls. Then, you know.
Is that why you got that bubble on your screen protector?
I think so. Probably. But we're at Costco right now. We're getting good stuff. Hopefully I can find something that I can show you guys because then you can purchase it online. You can get like a membership and go from there.